Okay, guys, very short this week, okay? Um, because we're coming into a place where you should be starting to wrap up with your first essay, and I want you to be able to focus on that. Now, that being said, homework for you. Homework two should be submit. I want you to submit homework two this week. Uh, Technically, you should have two and three in, but I screwed up and I didn't get two to you in time. So, two, I'm looking for one page which is going to be about at least 250 to 300 words. A brief example of a memoir from your life. Okay, I want to see that you understand the genre. Review the characteristics of a memoir from the in content where it talks about narrative genres. Like I said, I'm just looking for something brief to show that you understand the genre. Okay. The other thing that you need to submit, and that is your composition proposal for the assignment that you're working on now. And again, I should have gotten this to you earlier. This is my fault. I apologize. But we're going to give you some extra time if we need, okay? So let's get this in this week. Composition proposal. Number one, who is your audience for this? Okay? And I want you to be as specific as possible with this audience. So if we're writing a fairy tale, right, obviously our audience is children, but who in particular? Right? Children is a very broad audience. Is there a particular group of children that you're addressing? And if so, why? The purpose. What is the purpose of the paper that you're writing? What do you want people to take away? What do you want them to get? What steps are you going through to get people to understand what it is you're trying to achieve? Number three, place of publication. Place of publication means where are they going to read this? What is this? Where is this designed to be read? If it's a fairy tale, is this a fairy tale that's going to go like in an anthology of dark fairy tales? Is this something that's going to be read online? Are you looking to do a children's book? Where? And the reason that this is important is because different places of publication have different conventions. They have different things that they expect when you write them. So you need to understand where something is going to be read if you're going to write it accordingly. And then talk about the genre. Now, obviously, you kind of have some pre-selected genres, and so the easy thing to say is, well, I'm writing in this genre because Dr. Howard said to. Yeah, I get that, okay? But why is this genre best for the message that you're trying to convey? Okay? Now, what I just went over for you is located in content under the composition proposal assignment sheet. All right. So make sure you get this done. This is not going to take you long. All right. Shouldn't take you more than probably 20 minutes or so. All right. 20 minutes, half an hour. So get homework 2 done and submitted to the Dropbox in D2L. And the composition proposal also gets put into the Dropbox on D2L. I'm going to keep it short because if I want to give you the extra time this week to where if you want to have an extra appointment with the tutor, go for it. Either Pierre or Sasha, or if you can't get with either one of them guys, hook up with one of the ones that's labeled Floater. They are more than happy to help you, and they'll do awesome for you. If you have any questions for me, hook me up on Remind. Be happy to help you guys. All right. Have a good one.